Hello, hello, and welcome back to the Kindred Kitchen. This is Bee here, and Pam's behind the camera today.
Hello.
And today I am making a very simple bumped up veggie oats, like kind of a base, and then we'll see what we want to do from there. But I would like for you guys to go down below, hit the subscribe button, and I just want you guys to sit back and relax because we're going to list down all the ingredients in the description box.
So this is a good alternative for breakfast. It's like a breakfast oats with veg, so you're 50-50 compliant.
Yeah, it's going to be 50-50 compliant. And then from there you can work up whatever you want. You want it savory, sweet, whatever.
Okay.
So here I have my oats, and I have about 2 medium-sized zucchini. And I have 2 cups of water, which I don't think I'm going to need that much. But I'm going to go ahead and get this started. So I'm going to put the zucchini in. I had my pot warming up.
It's nice and hot.
Yeah, and I'm not gonna toast the zucchini because I don't want the savory flavor developing. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of water to this. That was about half a cup, and I got the zucchini going. And the best part about zucchini is it does not have a lot of flavor. So from here, you could
make this savory.
Yeah, you can make it savory, you can make it sweet.
So I have a question. Do you just make up a big batch so you have it all week and you can decide day to day what you want?
I do. I usually make up a batch of oats like this, and I make up a batch of masala oats because I tend to go towards masala oats. But sometimes, even during the day, if I'm craving something sweet or I want something sweet, I have something that I know is 50-50, and then I just add my flavors and move on from there. So, it's something that will keep you satisfied, and it won't hurt your weight loss. So I'm going to go ahead and...
I think it's a great idea.
Yeah. I'm going to add about a cup of oats in here. About a cup. Let's just do a little more. I'm making it so And as you can see, there's still veg more in there than the oats.
So that was about 1.25 cups of oats.
Yeah.
And there is more zucchini than oats.
Yes. Yeah. And the reason for doing that is because if I want this to be kind of a sweet dish, at least I have more veg in here. At least I have
So if you're adding fruit or something to it, maple syrup, you've got your...
Yeah, so I have my cup of water. I'm just going to add a cup because zucchini has water in it too. So I'm just going to add a cup of water, and I'm just going to cover this, and I'm going to let this cook for about 10 minutes on like a medium flame, and then when we come back I'll show you how it looks. So here you have it. This is the base for whatever flavor you want to build on here, and here you have it. And it's 50-50, so...
It's actually probably more veg.
Yeah.
So whatever you add on top...
You don't feel like...
Can be a carb or whatever.
Yeah.
Fruit,
so,
if you're having a sweet.
Yeah. So this is my base. And the reason I use zucchini is because zucchini has a very mild flavor. And this way that you know for sure that you have your veg in. So... Okay. So now I'm going to take my base and I'm going to turn it into sort of a apple pie oats. So I have some chopped apple here.
Probably about, maybe 1/2 an apple.
Yeah. And I have some toasted buckwheat here.
Which is interesting, yeah.
Yeah. And you don't have to use it, but I have it, so I'm going to use it. I have some vanilla.
Add some crunch.
Yeah, just a little bit of texture. I have some maple syrup. I have some cinnamon, and I have my apples. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take some of my base here. I'm gonna add some vanilla to it.
Yeah, not much. Maybe like 1/4 teaspoon.
Yeah,
I mean,
I don't really have measurements for this.
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna add a little bit of maple syrup in this because I am gonna drizzle some on top. So some of that in there. I don't want the whole cinnamon.
We'll put all the ingredients down below. So that was, how much was in there?
It was less than 1/2 teaspoon.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna mix everything up now.
Oh,
Did
you smell that cinnamon when it gets hot with the oats. You can smell the cinnamon.
So I'm just gonna like you see, mixed everything up. Now this is how I plate it. And you gotta plate it. If you're having it for dessert, you gotta plate it pretty, because I feel like...
I think even for breakfast or something,
yeah,
you know, if it looks more attractive.
Yeah, you know, it works. It gives you that satisfaction.
Mm-hmm.
So here I have it. Now I am going to put my apples. I'm going to put some of my toasted buckwheat. I'm spilling half of it. And sprinkle some more cinnamon on top.
So that was like a half a teaspoon total.
Yeah. I'm going to start by drizzling half a teaspoon. I'm probably going to go 1 teaspoon. And there you have
the
it.
maple syrup, yeah. Looks so good. It smells really good too.
Yeah. And it'll fill you up. Like, I've done this. It'll fill you up. And if it doesn't, go back for seconds. You know, you got your 50-50 and just go back for seconds. It's fine. But here you have it. And if you like this video, go ahead and comment down below. Tell us how you liked it. And go ahead and like and share the video. And head on over to Kindred Vegans and sign up for the newsletter so we can hook you up with some goodies. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.